I'm Graham Molloy, 26, and I'm a hairdresser. I've been a hairdresser for the past 7 years. I suppose I was always kind of paranoid about hair loss, considering my dad had lost his hair, my brother had started to lose his hair, and I started to notice probably at the age of 18 that I was starting to recede. And working in the salon, you work 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, and you're constantly in front of a mirror. So I could see every day as I was blow drying it or styling it, just going back further and further. It's something I have to sort out ASAP. So when I came into HRBR, I knew I had my heart set on getting surgery, but I wasn't sure which type of surgery. The two options were put to me between the FUE and the FUT transplant, and I went for the FUE. Reason being is there wasn't that scar. And because, I'm 26, and I'm a hairdresser, I want to cut my hair differently. I want to shave it off one day, I want to style it one day, I want to do a lot of things. So it left me with a lot more freedom as to what I could do for the rest of my life with my hair, rather than being caught and you can't cut it past a certain length because you'll show this scar. At the time, I didn't have the cash flow to go get it done. I didn't have money put away to get it. So I went to my bank and applied for a loan. It's pretty straightforward. They didn't really ask what it was for. If they had have asked, I would have been straight out and told them it was for to get a hair transplant. Since having it done, I definitely feel I can talk about it more to people, to family, to friends, to clients, to colleagues, because you've been through it and you realise how easy it is, that it's literally a couple of days out of your life and then your whole life changes because it's over and you just move on and let their hair grow again. These days everyone is focused on what they look like, how they look. It's down to Instagram, it's Facebook, how they look on social media. And even female clients talk about it. And they'd come to me and I'd advise them what to do. But as well then people talk about their family and friends who are going through it and see if you have any suggestions for them. So to be able to talk to them about having the transplant done is brilliant for them. I suppose the best response I'm getting off people is no response. Not many people have noticed it's done, but the people who are close to me, family and friends, have noticed a big change within my hair, within the way I'm able to manage it, and they notice a big change within my confidence, which has been absolutely fantastic.